Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So in this video I'll be showing you how to properly clean your charging port so it works better, your charging doesn't stop, and your connection, like your USB-C connection, will be super nice and strong. So I've been using this Galaxy S10e for almost 3 years, and now the charging port was so bad that not only my smartphone had stopped charging, but it would just easily come off as soon as I would pick up the smartphone. So first I was certain I really need a new charging port on my S10e, but after doing some cleaning it's been so much better. So what I ended up using was a wooden toothpick in order to clean the charging port. Now some people use metal tool, but that isn't safe because it can short out the connection inside the USB-C port. So all you have to do is just take a wooden toothpick and just wrap some tissue or maybe a cotton bud, something that would be able to collect the dust, and you want to go in from a side. Either you can go in from the right side or the left side, but don't go in from the middle because then you won't be able to take out the dust. So you want to take a flashlight and just look inside where most of the dust is. So you want to go in from a side. For example, I'm going from the right side and I'm going to drag all the stuff to the left, and then I will just drag it outside, and you can try blowing inside the port because some of the dust won't be able to make out using the toothpick. So it will take like 3 to 4 tries in order to properly clean it. You just need to make sure you don't damage the port itself, like the middle part which fits inside the USB cable, and you just have to keep cleaning on the top and on the bottom end side. Just make sure not to give too much pressure in the middle because that's the part that is the most sensitive. And another thing I would like you guys to do is to take a new cable, a new USB-C cable, because most of the time when we are using our smartphone for a very long time, your USB-C cable can get loose because of the usage over time. So you want to take a new charging cable, and that will also help you to make sure your smartphone easily charges and your charging cable doesn't come out very easily. Because after doing the cleaning I bought a new charging cable. So these are pretty much the tips which I was using, and because I've been through all of this problem, so I really wanted to share it out so it could help you guys. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.